Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we can see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Our Shakhtar Donetsk don't they willing to accept £40 million plus add-ons for Mudryk. So what is up now? They say they don't they willing to reduce their valuation. They say before they throw some kind figures up and down. They throw like £90 million, €90 million. So now the price that they buy Grealish, now they want, where they buy Anthony, now they want. But now they don't they resign to fate. They don't they faced with reality. Say if they no reduce the price of this player, sell them to where the player say he won't go. So they will get a problem in their hands, and it no go make sense for you to have an unhappy player in your hands, because everybody know, like I always say, it is an open secret that Mudryk wants to go to Arsenal. Nobody asks, like Man City, Liverpool, Manchester United, Spurs, everybody, they monitor the situation, they watch, they are keenly interested, because this guy has laid a very fine blueprint in Europe, both in Champions League, where he don't score like 3 goals for the group stage, and he was the fastest player in the group stage. That was what the statistics was giving us. So as of now, let us say another thing, maybe like an incentive where they push him to go join Arsenal. The fact say he go fit play with him country captain will be Alexander Zinchenko with dey for Arsenal, and that one say go run dey sing some kind melody for him ear. Let them know say Arsenal is the right place for you to come. It is the place where young players thrive. The coach is no respecter of anybody. There are no sacred cows at Arsenal. If you do well, the coach is going to play you. So all these sweet things, and you just admire Arsenal style of play. We are always dominating. We are not scared of anybody who come outside and express ourselves. And I would say instead they expect to do that. Is why in one conjure, you know how all those kind Gabriel Martinelli dey wey Jesus won't come join them, won't come join Gabriel Martinelli, because in Brazilian contingent they there, so things go dey easy for them to flow and build relationship. Now the same thing will make this Mudryk say won't come join Arsenal, because if in dey there in with Zinchenko, they don't get good camaraderie, they don't get understanding, so it will make sense when you come join them. So that is the advantage Arsenal hold over Shakhtar Donetsk. So we dey see by January how this deal will go. This one I'm talking about £40 million plus add-ons, series of add-ons. Like if Mikalo help you to win the league, you pay us extra $5 million. If Mikalo help you to do this one, you pay us extra $10 million. All those kind of pockets of incentives there. But then they see everything they go. Then away from that, so Japan versus Costa Rica, where them defeat Japan 1-0, but that's not even my business. My business na the fact say Tomiyasu with the fear say he don't get injury. Tomiyasu was spotted in the Japanese bench, so he did there, but it was an unused substitute. They don't really use him, so at least we are happy to say he make the bench, which means he's not 100% fit. Truly like Kyoto News report him. But even Tomiyasu don't talk say he no go play that match because he never did 100% correct. Say now for the match they go play against Spain later, now that one in the reason say he go dey fit to play, because that match is a very important match, because that group they very dicey and very strong. You get, if you watch yesterday night, you see Germany draw Spain, which means Spain did like 4 points, Germany 1, Costa Rica and Japan they 3-3. You get, so Spain, Germany, for them to qualify they need to win their last match, and Spain self need to either win or draw their own last match for them to qualify. So that's what's up. Let's just see how everything they go. Arsenal don dey set to play Watford behind closed doors as a friendly for this week. Where they start this week, we start at 28. Get, so there reason to play those Watford. And what this one come mean? They say Arsenal will play 4 friendlies for this World Cup break. They'll start with Watford before they'll come go to Dubai, come go play or else AC Milan, play Lyon. They'll come back for the Emirates, come play Juventus. I know say as we did now, we are trying to prepare for the second stanza of the season. Now this week now we dey expect the players when we go to the World Cup with Desha, but then come back and resume training before they go play that Watford. They do not fly out to Dubai, because since Ateta give them free hands, okay, me I go rest with my family, man, I just flex, enjoy, watch World Cup, you know, just dey where you get. Well, now this week now we dey expect everybody to come back, and once they come back, we hit the ground running. This Watford match, plenty players, senior men them no go really play them, na some. But after this Watford, people go don't come back before they can start their traveling plan, come travelers go Dubai, go have fun. My prayer be say nobody should be injured. let's prepare. About Fabrizio Romano said, don't come outside the talk, say Arsenal were very, very smart in the previous window and they need to adapt the same approach. What do you mean by smart? And so we sign some players so nobody knows who they sign them, so they go for them. Like it was a very secret adventure. We signed Fabrizio, nobody knew about it. They will call the adventurers, more adventurous. We signed a Gabriel Jesus, signed a Zinchenko, maybe senior men. People don't win like four Premier League titles between them again. So we sign them, they can't come Arsenal, can't give us that winning mentality, that winning edge, how to kill off games. Let us they win, they go. That is why we're there for first in the league, and Man City behind us, and the rest are just fighting for how to catch us. And we said we don't want to be caught again. So that is what those kind of players give us. So Fabrizio the talk say, if we know say we won't go very, very far with our title challenge, we must make sure we sign the same caliber of players that we brought in. And whether I like it or yes, William Saliba is seen as a new signing because he himself don't come add solidity to the back line, and the back line is not very solid. Don't leaking goals anyhow. Anything cross and all is a no because we have giants at the back there, and that's what we're talking about. At the same time, Fabrizio called the talk say many people want Marcus Thuram, and this Marcus Thuram, and I'm not calling it say he is the son of legendary France defender Lilian Thuram. You get, say this guy they play very well for Borussia Mönchengladbach. So Fabrizio going to let us know say the guy don't agree, don't admit, don't talk and publicly say he know they extending contract for Borussia Mönchengladbach. So in the look say he won't move, but now Arsenal is there, Manchester is there, because Manchester United said they look for how they go to replace Cristiano Ronaldo when they come up, because they need a centre forward, an original centre forward, not be winger where they convert. So Arsenal also need a centre forward that will use as a deputy for Gabriel Jesus. If we check that France World Cup squad now, if Giroud play, they'll come out Giroud, come put in Marcus Thuram, and so then they use, and so that's what Arsenal also should be looking at to get. If Jesus play, you come out and put another person. Sometimes you can even put him on the flank and put the person you want to put for top 9. That's how we're managing it. So I never know how they be with this Marcus Thuram. Go just to watch. Mikel Arteta also they consider saying one block Cedric Suarez exit, because many people the reason the guys don't want to sign, and people like Fulham, Borussia, Bayer Leverkusen, and some other clubs. The reason Arsenal say they won't carry our Cedric Suarez, say the guy has surplus to requirements, but Arteta see the reason say in get need for the guy. Don't forget to play multiple competition. That is why Arteta will really keep him, because people going to talk say you have a Ben White in the right back, you have Tomiyasu there, so what are you keeping Cedric Suarez for? Why are you killing his career as an old man? He needs to be playing regularly, but at the same time we still need the guy whether we like it or not. So Arteta they say before you go sanction as him leave, we need to bring in an alternative player who will come and play. What if Tomiyasu gets injured? What if Ben White gets injured? Even though Ben White is not an injury prone player, but what if something happens? What do we do then? So maybe they watch as things they go. Our Christian Pulisic don't they attract interest from Arsenal, Manchester United, and other clubs, and the reason they say this guy get 18 months left on his contract, and the way when they play for the World Cup can make people when they look and say, damn, this guy play very well. And Chelsea said they look the guy has surplus to requirement, is not a regular in their side. So I never know how it will be make Arsenal sign. Even Gary Neville himself come put smart for this matter. When the talk say it will be very tough for Arsenal to drag Christian Pulisic out of Chelsea, because the guy is very good. Even though they play regularly, but it will be very hard for us to drag him out. Well, I never know how they go, because Arteta just Arsenal they look the guy, they scamp and someone. We don't like the way this guy they play, but we'll just watch now. Our Baba Sator don dey discharged from hospital, so I say make I let you know. Yes, I think we talked some days ago where he called me, show me say I want don't come off hospital. So we thank God, say we praise the Lord's name. Say God don't help the heal our brother. It remains small. Very soon now, I will see I'm out now from flying colors. They dissect all the Arsenal news. So now I pray and I thank God for all of you now. Well wishes, everybody will ask after that. Baba Sator say make I thank all of you now for caring, and may God bless you and all of you fall ill in Jesus' name and inshallah. Amen. Real Madrid dey interested in signing Cody Gakpo, and a Dutch journalist wey dem call Marco Tima. Now they let us know this one. So Baba Sator say Real Madrid dey prepared to pay over 50 million euros, which is about 43 million pounds. So they don't identify him as a target with the one sign for their own side. But the problem now be say where in go play. That's why I have issues with all these kind of players who want to join big team. You go there, go join the Benjamin. After 2 years down the line now, we come outside and start to complain. I beg go, don't advise you now. Kukuma join Arsenal. At the same time, Manchester United said they keenly interested because this Ronaldo exits that they no plan and they no expect it will happen. So they need to fill up that void. So Manchester United is also looking for a way to sign Cody Gakpo. But the problem is that when you look at the Manchester United squad, they don't have an out-and-out fox in the box in number 9. Manchester United also wants to go and sign Memphis Depay. Arsenal said they eye Memphis Depay. So this is January. I don't know. The players where Arsenal they go for, Man U they go for, Newcastle they go for, everybody they go for where will they go again. So now this January we'll come know who get that resolve, who get that attractive project where people will look say, I want to belong to this project. For me, I think it is Arsenal because we never win the league for a very long time. We've not got to Champions League for a very long time. So anybody coming to join us will be part of history. We'll be making history at the end of the season that I was part of those who helped Arsenal come back to the glory stage, to the Champions League stage, to the competition of champions. You say I was one of those, or if not the league will win, we say I was one of those that brought glory back to Arsenal. Will give them the new EPL in the 2022-2023 season. So I don't know how this story will play out. But just the watch out. About the Daily Mail self don't come outside. They let us know say get one sickness bug with the disturbed Brazilian team ahead of the match against Switzerland. So they don't tell us say some players don't they go down with the bug. They don't really tell us the name of the players. All we know is that now only name I don't get one ligament injury. We if you keep them out of the competition because they see the assess. I will never know how long he will be out. But for those who don't get injury, sickness, I never really know. Maybe in the coming days the news will be clearer. I believe say they not just want mention the name of the players. Say they protect their identity. Well, more the wait, I'm more the watch. I just the pray say our player not involved. I know a yes story. On my way from that, so Granny Xhaka come outside, come they give us some kind of funny story. So back on the talk say before them go for this World Cup travel, go World Cup game. So in with Gabriel Magalhaes, in with Gabriel Martinelli and Jesus, they can discuss about this World Cup because they don't already know say them go meet sometime in the future. So they can ask and say if we play, hope say we can't break our leg because we don't say you know they play. Don't say if we see us now, we can't play. Maybe we do for the same field, we can't kick us. So back on tell and say, see. I will clear you for one thing. When I know me, you get. If I catch you one-on-one with my goalkeeper, you are going to score. I will smash you. Now what thing they clear them? They come they look at. I will smash you, and because they don't say they know me. You get. If I smash you, to be hard. So I don't go look say because me and you dey for Arsenal team. Say I don't go on smash you. I don't go on enjoy you so that by the time we come back, you go feel win the league or feel go. Oh God, as I did like this. Country comes first. Get my allegiance to my country, not to my club. If I catch you one-on-one, say you are going to score my keeper, I will smash you. I ain't too happy what happened. So they come to look the guy, say they come they very, very worried. And my take on this is I'm not gonna blame Granny Xhaka because whether you like it or yes, your allegiance is to your country first before you come think about the club. So you're not gonna look say because this guy are my teammates, if I slide I'm gonna go get injured, it will affect us for club. I'll come leave and go score against our country. That's not, it can't happen, you get. So Xhaka they pride and say they know me, you get. They know my pedigree as a bone breaker. So Thomas Partey parents don't come for the World Cup. They don't come Qatar, so they come like cheer him. They just come flex with him. So they come snap picture with him. We come listen them. For me, I'm seeing them for the first time. I don't know about Sudan. So they just come pray for him. You know, just deal with him, sha. So it is very good. At least they'll feel that family vibe, you get. So at least he's one of those representing Africa and making us proud. And another country said we don't make us super proud. Now Morocco. Who could have believed that Morocco, African Morocco, go beat Belgium 2-0 with their Kevin De Bruyne, with their Batshuayi, with their everybody that is somebody, their Lukaku. I don't know what to do the Lukaku self with that. I don't just know what to do that one. Like with everybody, Eden Hazard, Trojan Hazard, everybody, Courtois, they knock them 2-0. Which means if let's say Belgium don't lose their first two matches, I'm going to draw one, lose one. But I just say they don't lose this Morocco. And from the look of things, they are not going to make this group stage from the way we are this year. Who would have believed that Belgium will say, if you look their squad, you go to 4, you will say, I'm on this Belgium squad, then good die. Look at what they are doing. You see this World Cup, I just get optimistic somehow. Say, person will go win, and person will say, you know who really expect get. Now see well, now the way me are this year, but you never can tell now. But the watch since they go. So my dear football lovers, if you don't watch yesterday, you should check the top left corner of the screen. We see the thumbnail. Click and see that you got all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and game out.